everyone, Serena B here, and welcome back to the Valloween Junk Journal Series. This is part 2, where we're going to be decorating and creating embellishments for the journal. So if you're just tuning in and you want to see how I created this journal from start to finish, I'll link the first tutorial down below for you so you can check it out. And today is going to be really fun, so we're going to divide it into 2 videos, so make sure you're subscribed and notified so you don't miss out. So in this video today, we're going to be decorating the pages and adding some more character and personality to the journal and adding some fun embellishments. So that's what we're going to be focusing on in this video. And the next video, we're going to be making a masterboard where we can create tags and other embellishments to add into the journal as well. So you want to make sure you check out both videos. It's going to be linked everywhere so you can check it out after this one. Alright, so just really quickly, I'm probably going to be filming this video the same way I did last one, which is basically just kind of talking about the process and then speeding through the process, just watching me work. So let's get started. So I took this tag and I backed it on that purple file folder scraps. Brownie points to whoever knows this quote. Let me know below in the comments. So it's a new day and I did a little bit of decorating, so let me show you what I've worked on so far. So for this page here, I just clipped on this jumbo tag. I'm going to be doing some extra stuff, some embellishing on this tag, so I'll do that after, but I just clipped it on here with this little bow paper clip that I made a couple months ago. Actually, I have a reel on that on my Instagram on how I made those. And then to go with the eyeball theme, I glued down this piece of blue eyeball paper, and then I just added a tag that I backed on that purple file folder. And then this is just some vintage writing paper, so I just did that for now. I'm also going to further embellish this. What else did I do? I also added this little tab here at the edge of this page. So what I did was I just used one of my labels from Spooky Love. I folded it over the page and then added this tag from Spooky Love and just further embellished it. The bow is actually the leftover trim from binding the journal, so I just made little bows with them. And then on this side, this is what this side looks like. It's just the other side of the label, which is a skull. And that trim, I might add something there, I'm not quite sure what just yet. And the other thing I did was I altered this Monopoly, vintage Monopoly playing card, game card, inspired totally by the printables that KB and Friends has been designing recently. Catherine is super talented and amazing. I absolutely love her digital collections. I'll link her shop below if you guys are interested. I'm pretty sure you've heard of her, but in case you haven't seen her newest collections, I'll link her shop below. She has this theme of like Monopoly playing cards throughout certain collections, and I'm absolutely obsessed. So anyway, I went with this one because Pennsylvania is kind of close to Transylvania. So I just altered the top of the railroad card and I put it there for now. Did I do any other decorating off camera? No, I think that was it. So let's just continue decorating the rest. So this is a page where Dracula is in Mina's room biting her neck, and Van Helsing and everybody, they get there. So I kind of feel bad covering it up, but I think what I'll do is actually glue this heart down. Oh well. Hey everyone, so I'm back. It's another day and I want to show you what I've done so far, just a little extra little decorating that I've done off camera. But first I want to show you what happened on the cover. I don't know if you can pick it up, but there's some glitter here. There you go, you can kind of see it. So my stickles was drying and it fell on the cover, but I kind of liked how it looked, so I added more stickles to the corners. Basically, I just put some on my finger and I just rubbed it on the fabric on the corners here. I'm really not sure if it's showing up or not, but I think it looks really cute and adds just a little fun little sparkle to the cover. So it was a happy accident, but I've never done that before, so I think that's cool. Anyway, so let me do a little flip through of what I've done so far. I wanted to make this video a little longer, but unfortunately this week did not go as planned, so I'm just putting out what I have. So anyway, I did add this book plate here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add more something to it, hand letter your name or the, you know, the date or something. So I might keep this blank and maybe just add some decorations on the sides. I'm not sure yet, but I did outline it with a white gel pen, and this just to show you that it is a tuck spot, so I'm gonna have space for like little goodies I can tuck in there. So back to this page. I added some white detailing with gel pen around this tag and around here as well. I'm also going to further decorate this, but I just wanted to show you that I did add some detailing with white gel pen, and the same thing for this tag. I went all around it with the white gel pen, and I also added some stickles to the hair and around the speech bubbles. Here I just tucked in this Freddy Krueger card. For here I added this puffy sparkly trim, just because it makes me think of like electricity. So the whole Frankenstein spread section here, I thought that would look really cute along the side here. What else? I also added stickles to this card. This is what fell on the cover. So I had some stickles, and then I just put it in here for now as a little tuck spot. I am planning on doing some decorating on the doily itself. So then I added some black lace here on this vintage music note paper, and it can kind of act like a tuck spot as well. Like, it's not too sturdy, but it can kind of hold something as well, so that's cool. So on this tag I added some scraps up here. I did some outlining with glitter pen around the Ouija, Be Mine, and the heart and the cheeks. So I just added some detailing, and then I just added this tag in here. I'm gonna probably decorate the tag as well. And then for this page here, I just made this cluster using some ephemera from my Love Bites and Spooky Love collection, and I just layered them together. I did go around the tag with white gel pen, and I added some of this trim as well, and then just some washi at the bottom to ground it. And so it still like tucks, you can still tuck a page or whatever. It's just on the lip here of the pocket. And then the last thing I think I did was here. I added this little ghost cut apart from the collection and the heart, and I added stickles to them. And then I just pinned this ball pin here with a charm that like a little dangle that I made, and a little skull charm. So I just have this off to the side here. Hope you guys can see that okay. And yeah, that's all I've done so far. So check back to my channel. Next week I'm going to show you the full reveal of the journal. The next video is going to be showing you how to create a masterboard, and then how to make embellishments with the masterboard that you can use to further decorate your journals with. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I know it's short, but I hope you still enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when my next videos come out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so it helps my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone!